What's up? So, I was at Target and I saw something on clearance that was originally for $24.99. It dropped to $17.49. Well, that's a steal for me. So I picked it up. Excuse me. I picked it up. It's the Speck Presidio Clear half-shell case for AirPods 3rd generation. And you can see the back of it. Okay, it's extracted from its compartment. So, oops. I see. Hard plastic, so you won't scratch or damage your AirPods when you get it. You got yourself a keychain too if you want to hang it on your keys or backpack or wherever you want. So you take your AirPods and then you just kind of slide it in. And definitely, ooh, wow. It's in there, so you're snug of the bug. Unless you find a way to pop it out, but I'm keeping it in here because I want my AirPods 3 to be safe. That's cool. There's like a little hinge. Well, just in case you want to get rid of it, you take it out like that. Wow, that's nice. Now I can sure my AirPods will definitely be protected. But I like that little thing on top, so what I'm going to do is just open this thing back and carefully put it in that hole. And there you go. What a great thing. So you can listen to your music. Perfect. This is at Target and on clearance for $17. So if you're around your Target and you see something, you see it on a good deal, you should grab it right away. Anyway, if you like this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button, like, and share the video to help the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later.